These keyboard switches were designed to sound like walking on pebbles, and I don't really know what that means, so let's find out. I'm installing these switches on a baby blue Lucky 65. And for keycaps, I'm using the new Arctic PBT from my store Kinetic Labs. Oh look, a narwhal. These just launched today and it looks like they'll be selling out very soon. Never forget to add a desk mat because, surprisingly, that does have an effect on how your keyboard sounds. In this case, I'm using an Alberta Ice desk mat to match the nice blue theme we're setting up here. Alright, let's see if it really sounds like pebbles. Let me know what you guys think.